Hello and welcome everyone to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to integrate Gemini AI Assistant into your WordPress website so your customers can get faster problem resolution, instant support and more. With this plugin you can increase the time spent on your website, reduce the bounce rate, boost engagement and make it more interactive. Now I am on my WordPress dashboard. Here you can see our AI Assistant plugin. And for now, let's go through the steps to configure and activate Gemini. And the first step is to enter our API key. So we should navigate to this tab, scroll a bit down, and we should follow this link to get an API key for the Gemini API. So let's click on this. Here is my account. We should click this Create API Key button. Then we should copy this API key and navigate again to our WordPress dashboard and paste it here. We click this connect button and we can see that the Gemini is now connected. And now let's go to the general settings and set up the API parameters. Here we choose the API tab, which is Gemini, and the embedding API, which is again Gemini. And we save our changes from here. Now let's navigate to Settings tab to configure some settings. Here you can show dashboard chat, choose the chat position, chat icon size, auto opening chat box. So you can adjust the delay before the chat box automatically opens. You can tick this option and write a greeting message. You can enable this rate chat option, and your users can rate the chat with like and dislike buttons. Now let's go to Styles tab. Here you choose the theme of your chatbot, choose the background color, message font size, and don't forget to save all the changes. And now let's observe the front chat settings. Here you can set some limitations. You can enable this option and write a text for the icon. Here you can define the pages where the chatbot will be displayed. So again, let's save these changes. And after configuring all these settings, we should go to Settings tab, scroll a bit down, copy this shortcode and paste it on the post we want to enable Gemini AI Assistant. So this was all about Gemini AI Assistant. I think you are now ready to set it up and boost your website. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.